Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Fishing and Flushing Outdoors. Today we're on a section that we did a 12-mile drag before, so we got a little bit more water today. Hopefully we make it out of here before dark. Stay tuned. 12-inch fish, very, very good. Whoa! Yeah! 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 That's gooder than hell right there. That's a rock bass, isn't it? There we go, guys. Got another. There you go, guys. Marco! Then I'll flip over in the back of it. Oh! Oh yeah! That's a good one right there, Pawpaw. Yeah, black bass. I know why they call them black bass now. There we go. Another one, guys. Ain't even seen a soul down here. Fish all these waters, ain't nobody even want to fish. A lot of blue. Well, they're probably getting ready to nest in there. Probably. I was getting. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! 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 That's what I'm talking about. Yep. There we go, guys. Got another. Whoa! Rock bass. Nope, yep. Rock bass are on fire. Whoa! Oh! This thing's insane. There you go, guys. A little red eye. Looks like a male. He's all colored up. He's good, but he ain't. Yeah, he's huge. There we go, guys. Sweet. Oh, yeah. We had to paddle fast. Copperhead snakes, everything start coming out. Go, guys, a little smallie. We're getting the numbers. May not got no big ones in there, but oh. Yeah, he'll ate that thing off. I put another one on. No, he choked it. It's still in there. I remember this. I fell down here. Whoa. Definitely the sun coming out's fired them up. Something. No size, but definitely catching the numbers. What's that thing, a whip wad? As soon as you threw that thing in the water, they just can't even take it. Hanging off the side of the boat. Oh, oh, got fish in it, boys. Look at there. Whoa, look at there, handle. Look at there, old black. Right there, boys. That's a beautiful thing right there. Look at that. That's huge. I warped mine about it. Whoa. Smallie in the clear water. It's a little tricky here. It looks like kind of a shallow rapid. Huh?
It looks like it's sucked.
Whoa! Damn, boy! Shoo! Right there. Backed him up with the whip wad. Get him off here before I flip over in the Swift. There we go, guys. Woo! There we go. Ouch. There we go, guys. On front end. I was getting a little wild. I don't know. Might be able to shoot right down through here. I don't know, it's fired up. Huh? It's got a rock right there. Far right? Oh, need higher water flow.
It's really flaked up, so that's depends. What the heck they want to hit at that time.
There you go. There's really all different flavors. This is a good save, I guess. The only thing I lost was my shoe. I had everything else tied in. It's right here. It's right here. Must have got around you. Maybe. Whew. There we go, guys. I found my shoe. It's fired up. Didn't lose anything. Only thing I lost was some, I hurt my feelings a little bit, but that's okay. Whoa. This thing fired up. Fishing pole, reel it in. Well, guys, we ain't getting the size, but we're getting the numbers. Oh. They'll be trying to shame me for the bump board. Put that thing on a bump board, guys. There we go. Good color. That's what the muskies are eating. Oh shit, yeah. Oh, chub bluegill. Look at that, that's bigger than the bass we've been catching.
About the same size.
That's huge. She want to start eating these things. Let me get one zoomed out here. Woo! Yay! Yay! Oh yeah, got a tuna on here, bro. Big monster bluegill. Choo! Look at that thing. Catching bluegills in the Swift, gonna be fired up. Alright guys, we about made it through the end of the trip. I managed to catch a few bass. Went down through a whitewater section. This time I had a little bit of water in it. Got a little wild there for a second, but stay tuned for next episode of Fishing and Flushing Outdoors.